Hello, mga Ginoo ng San Jose Antipolo. Can you introduce yourself to our viewers one by one, starting from you?
I am Alfred Francis Oliveros.
My name is John Curry Avelas.
I am Edgardo Austria. You can call me Eds. I'm from Sitio Old Boso Boso.
Alright, and congratulations dahil kay official candidates na for Ginoo San Jose 2026. Pasabog. Mga familiar faces, mga nakikita ko sa mga pageants. Hindi lang candidates, pati audience. Pero anyway, going back, kamusta naman ang first day nyo here sa Ginoong San Jose?
Well, at first, kinakabahan ako pero so much grateful dahil nakapasok sa Ginoong San Jose official candidate and yeah, I'm very grateful and blessed with that.
I'm definitely excited because Ginoong San Jose and first edition to. So I'm so grateful na nakapasok kaming lahat. And syempre, bagong opportunity ito for us. So yeah,
Yes, since this is the first edition of Ginoong San Jose, medyo nakaka-pressure siya. Pero as one of the candidates, it's really a privilege for us. And we're sure looking forward for the organization that they're going to do their best to give us a great show. So watch out.
Is this your first time joining a pageant?
Well, my foundation when it comes to pageantry is my school. Then I'm still a newbie when it comes to pageantry outside school. So definitely a lot of pressure, but I will try to do my best.
So, dalawang veterans natin na lagi ko nakikita. So, it's, siguro what's one lesson na natutunan mo sa pageant journey na dadalhin mo sa Ginoong San Jose?
Yes, they call me veteran, but I'm so humble myself na I'm still has a full of spaces in my internal self na gusto ko i-fulfill pa to join in different competitions, especially here in Antipolo. In the competition here in Antipolo is really a life-changing moment. So I've been competing in Antipolo for this is the fourth time. So I'm not expecting a big thing, but I'm aiming for one thing, the crown.
And ikaw, Percy, I know you're really from San Jose. May sa Catholic kayo, naalala ko. So, what made you decide to join sa Ginoong San Jose?
actually it was my family's decision po. Syempre, I was inspired by them po kasi it's their dream po eh. And becoming one of the official candidates is so overwhelming na po sa akin. So, ayun, yung parents ko po talaga lagi na push sa akin to conquer my fear, my self-doubts, and I think I'm slowly doing it naman po.
And so, as either a first timer or a veteran in pageantry, what do you expect from this competition?
Well, first of all, dahil first edition to ng Ginoong San Jose, so definitely maraming bagay na aabangan when it comes to production siguro. So I'm looking forward for that.
As a veteran?
So I've been exposed in different competitions, so different organization, different stage structures. But I'm just looking forward for the first edition of Binoong San Jose, the organization, how they really has this of purpose. This is not only a competition for us, but this is a platform that to encourage everyone, especially individual who didn't find themselves yet, but this is a competition that is also a platform that can encourage individual to try to thrive and to be themselves, and I think this is a platform for that.
Ikaw, what do you expect as a veteran?
I expect this pageant to be a transparent pageant, especially dito tayo sa Antipolo, and ang daming issues dito. So, as first edition, I believe na I'm expecting pala na maging transparent itong pageant na ito. So, that's
Siguro second to the last question ko, at pageants nowadays is a platform for advocacy. Anong advocacy ang gusto nyong dalhin sa journey?
Well, for me, I always believe that young generation are still the leaders of tomorrow. So I still want to advocate for youth empowerment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ikaw?
Yes, in through years of competing and still have focusing on my advocacy in community welfare and child nourishment, I'm still looking for organization to build bridges between the different sitio here in Antipolo. This is a big province, but for the step by step, piece by piece, we can build a strong community. But by engaging, by educating, and encouraging one community to build a better foundation for not only for us, for the whole Rizal province.
Ikaw, Kurt, advocacy.
Advocacy is about honoring the hands that feeds us. It's about the farmers po, especially I'm from Sitio Boso-Boso. There's a lot of farmers there, magsasaka, and traditionally, sila po ay madami before, but as time goes by, nakakaligtaan na natin sila. Hindi natin sila nabibigyan ng support from our local community. So, a lot of, yung mga anak po ng mga farmers na ito ay, syempre hindi sufficient yung money na nakukuha nila sa farming, and nag-umaalis sila, naghahanap sila ng ibang trabaho to sustain their lives, and hindi dapat ganon. Kailangan natin silang isupport because if mauubusan tayo ng local farmers, mag-i-import tayo na mag-i-import hanggang sa mabaon sa utang ang Pilipinas, which is not good. So, I think isupport natin sila.
And then lastly, message nyo na lang i-invite them kasi sa August 2026 na finals ng Pinoy Invite nyo sila na supportahan kayo.
Well, I'm inviting everyone to please watch and support us for the first edition of Ginoong San Jose 2026.
Yeah. So the screening is still on. So they're going. Stay tuned for their second screening. There's still a lot of slots for you guys. So always be updated.
Ayan. So yun, August 2026 na yung competition. Invite mo na lang sila.
So, August, we are inviting you to support us, not just me, but the whole candidates here at Ginoong San Jose at August 1, and the place is to be announced pa po. So, see ya.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Makikisig natin yun ang San Jose 2026.
Thank you.
And see you in the next coming. Good luck.